the marketing machine. We found this incredible new concept for marketing. Okay, it's what we call the marketing machine. No, we haven't. We're just doing the same shit that everybody else has done, just in a different way. Okay, if you are, let's say, a decorator and you work in residential, where's the easiest place to find residential customers that require decorating work? All right, yeah, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever. Believe it or not, there's a marketing machine, and there's at least 6 of them in your local town stroke village, probably even more. Estate agents, all right? Just use estate agents, and I mean use them a lot. What we do is we would go into, let's say, pockets of town. So we've got this thing where we drop a pin, we do 30 miles, and in 30 miles we're going to hit, I don't know, let's pick a number, 10 other villages and towns. Go on those villages and towns and literally find estate agents in those towns, and they'll all be on there. They'll all be on Google, Facebook, all right? They're all going to be on Instagram, LinkedIn. They're all there. Follow them on each one of the socials, all right? Make comments on their socials. DM them. Introduce yourself. Follow them. Once they follow you back, open up a conversation, like a proper conversation. That means obviously sending DMs, sending emails, and believe it or not, going in, knocking on doors, and going having a chat face to face. And why is that? Well, we've got a situation at the moment, Lindsay was just explaining. She follows, what is it, Connell's?
Yeah.
So
we follow all the local estate agents.
But Connell's,
for KPN.
Yeah, for the Kitchen Painting Network, obviously, which is our lads' kitchen spraying side. So they've obviously started following us, and now what we're going to do is open up that DM, and we're going to email them, we're going to send some information, and then we'll probably walk in, or even Liam will walk in, and we'll have a conversation with them. The reason being is, for what, let's say what the boys do, which is kitchen refurbishments, they are great. The biggest negative of selling homes that when we've spoken to estate agents is usually the kitchen, or the bathrooms, or the worktops, the flooring, the tiles, and even the windows. So what we've got there is, straight off the bat, we've got kitchen spraying. We can do obviously retro coat system on the worktops, the tiles, even in the bathrooms, and we've got UPVC, internal, external. All those are part of our services long before we even get into a decorating concept. All right, those are bits that they can't do. All right, do you understand that they can't do that? They can go down to Wicks this weekend, all right, bank holiday, whatever, and they can tidy up the house themselves. They could get a handyman, they could get a cheap decorator, but what they can't get is a specialist that does the kitchens, the worktops, the resurfacing coats, the retro coats, and the UPVC. They can't do that. They won't know where to start. That is where you step in. When you go in and explain that to the estate agent, that when they look at a kitchen and they go do the viewing, the first thing they're going to be looking at is, we could tidy that. So whatever number you're going to pick on the house, let's say the house is up for, I don't know, 450 grand. You've got a kitchen in there. To replace it, I'm not even going to talk about cost, because it's not even an option. Why? Because they're selling it. They're never going to do it. The new people might, but it's probably the kitchen they've lived with for the past 15, 20 plus years, let's say, and they love it. But now they want to sell it, and it is looking tired because it was the fashion then, but not now. So what we do is we step in and we do a refurbishment, all right, a recoat, a resurface, whatever you want to call it, repaint. And we could do that for 1,500 quid, 1,800 quid, 2 grand, whatever it is. And there's enough money in it, because trust me, there's plenty of profit in doing kitchens and all the other aspects. UPVC, there's tons of profit. So you've got more than enough to eyeball the estate agent and say, right, let's talk commission. What do you want? 10%? 20%? You know he's going to go for 20%. I would. So you've now got a business that literally has a window full of homes in your area. I mean, literally on your doorstep. One of them's probably your neighbour. All right, you've got hundreds of properties every single week, month, year coming into one estate agent. Multiply that by, let's say, 6 in your village, by 10 other 10. Do the maths, guys. You should be literally their best friend for everything. And then let's double down. All right, let's double down and let's amplify this. Let's speak to their letting agents. All right, let's see who does the lets, and build a package for this recoating, resurfacing system, that when tenants leave, you can go in at a very easy cost. Reason being is they're looking for, all right, I'm going to hate saying it, but why? It's profitable. Bish, bash, bosh. All right, get in, get it done, and make some money, really good money. There's just as much, if not more, profit in getting in a quick turnaround flip system for landlords and tenants, all right, than there is for doing your basic or good painting and decorating. It is a marketing machine. All right, we're just driving up to the hospital. I've got an operation. Thank you. All right, nice of you to ask. Really do appreciate it. As we're driving up, I'm literally going 1, 2, 3, 4 marketing machines, marketing machines, marketing machines. I mean, they are everywhere. Seriously, if you want to know the kind of emails we put together, I suppose the system, the process, the magic, if you want to know how we do it, just ask. Just ask. We're going to be here as we always have been, all right, for a long, long time, just showing you what we've done and what works. All right, we're showing you what works because we've learned what doesn't. All right, we've done all the mistakes, we've done all the cock-ups. All right, we're just trying to do it to relieve your pain. All right, you can do it your own way. Oh look, estate agent. Another one, market machine. All right, oh my god, it's there. Seriously guys, if you want to ask us how we do it and you want some help, just reach out, leave us a comment. We'd love to help. Say goodbye, although you haven't said much at all, to be fair.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Love you.